Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to interpret percentages. For example, in our day-to-day life, we use percentages very regularly. These days, when it's a festival season, we talk about there is 20% off on all electronic goods. Or when we talk about a school, let's say, we say only 23% of the students play outdoor sports. Or we also talk about that 20% of the pollution is caused by ill-maintained vehicles. All these statements are good when we are trying to compare things or we are trying to estimate things. But what about if I want to know the exact number, if I want to know the absolute number? How do I know how much I am going to save if I buy a fridge? In that case, what I need to know is I need to know what is the value of the fridge, what is it normally costs. And if I know that data, if I know the complete data set, then I can find this part of the data set. We know that percentages are actually a different representation of fraction. 20% is same as 20 upon 100. So it's a fraction. And when we know it is a fraction, I need to know what is the value of the whole. If I know the value of the whole, I can find value of the fraction. Similar way, if I know the value of the whole in this case, I will be able to know what is the value of 20%. And then how do I calculate? Remember, we use this convention that of means multiplication in fractions. So 20% off on the refrigerator. What is the value of refrigerator? Let's say refrigerator normally costs 12,000 rupees. So 20% off 12,000 is what I'm going to save. And off means multiplication. So if I multiply this, I'm going to get the total savings what I am going to get because of this 20% sale. So 2400 is what is my savings. So to calculate the absolute value of percentage, we multiply the percentage with the whole. Let's say in this case, there are 600 students in the school, then 23 upon 100 into 600 will give us the absolute number of students who play outdoor sports. And here it comes, 2 zeros gone, is 138. So 138 students play outdoor sports. And I'm going to save here rupees 2,400. Let's understand one more thing about percentages. Now we know percentages are similar to fractions, and we know that when I'm talking about fraction of a whole, so I'm saying 2/5 of mangoes were given to Minu. 1/5 of the mangoes was given to Tinu. And the remaining mangoes were given to Tony. How many mangoes did Tony get? Can we find it out? No, I can't find it out. What I need to know is what is the size of whole. So I need to know how many total mangoes were there. So if it is given that there were 50 mangoes in total, then I can certainly find out how many Tony got. How do I do it? The mangoes which Minu got plus mangoes which Tinu got plus mangoes which Tony got, because he got all the remaining. are going to be equal to whole. They are going to be equal to whole. These fractions are going to add up to whole. So 2/5 plus 1/5 plus Tony is going to add up to whole, which is 5/5. And hence I will come to know that Tony got 2/5 of the mangoes, and which is equal to 2/5 of 50. 5 tens are 50, and that is equal to 20. So Tony got 20 mangoes. So what I have done is I have used this property of fractions, that all the parts of the whole, when they add, they give us complete whole, complete fraction. Same way, if I know that 20%, 10% and 25% were given to 3 people, what are the remaining mangoes? In that case, what I need to do is I need to add these percentages, so they become 55%, and to find remaining I need to subtract it from 100%. So percentages add up to give us 100%. Just like the fractions added up to give us whole, percentages add up to give 100%, which is whole. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.